Hey, this segment's all about the scene. I know in previous ones we've talked about how we built the cave. I don't want to bore you. How we 3D printed the platform because I used all the platform because it's all about the electronics underneath. However, we have added a few things. Addison and she created this fire pit where our fire glow is going to be. So she kind of ad-libbed a little fire pit, and then I added some clay stones. And then at Brooklyn, previous episode, talked about the modeling of the fish. Got that taken care of. I went ahead and added some texture. I'm going to throw, add a little texture, added basically some brown paint to the mountain or the cave so that people understand. And then I wanted to see how this little fake grass went. I just took an Elmer's glue stick and just rubbed it all over the place and threw grass everywhere. Didn't turn out so well, but I think our little fishing hole is going to turn out well. Not to give away secrets, but Brookie already talked about her fish. But hopefully you're going to be pulling out tons of these fishes everywhere. But I think you came up with a suggestion on I can spray the grass on.
Just for a heads up, you can use a glue stick and then take like spray tacky or like Mod Podge or whatever, because like if it looks like that and you take Mod Podge, it's gonna fail miserably. Like if you frost a cake and when it's not heated down, the cake's gonna come up with the frosting. It's just gonna, kind of like the same thing. So if you take like spray tacky first and then put it on top and then put another one, but I mean I bet spray tacky over just that will be fine.
Yeah, maybe we'll give that a go, but this is our first go at it. We'll see what we can improve, and then I like how you did the sparkles with the blue to give away because I don't really want water near electronics. That's not really great. But hey, and then I threw up your little raptor, and then Brooklyn, she's going to be slaying the raptor trying to get to our fish, right, Brooke? And then hopefully you can spear them pretty good. Always, aim for the kill shot, right? So we're progressing forward. The next segment is going to be all about the motion and how we get people. We're going to have Brendar, that's her BC name. We're going to have her doing the hieroglyphics. Thank you. And then Brooklyn's going to be trying to kill the raptor. Addie, of course, is going to be fishing for fish. And then I'm going to be over here eating a brontosaurus burger and getting fat, and that is going to be the last secret I reveal. So stay tuned, and I hope you enjoy our progress. Later.